Yo, what's up guys? Ben Simmons is attempting an NBA comeback after magkaroon ng buong season to rehab himself. Yung kanyang masakit na likod at ibang physical issues, yung mental na naghinto sa kanyang promising career. So, sasali nga ito sa training camp ng Australia. And yung gastos dito ay galing sa sarili niyang bulsa, travel and training cost para lang patunayan yung kanyang commitment. Grabe no? Pero yung sa atin, totoo kayang down payment muna bago commitment? Si Ben Simmons nakapaglaro pa noong 2025 season in split sa Nets at Clippers kung saan nag-average ito ng 5 points, 5.6 assists at 4.7 rebounds per game. Nawala yung kanyang aggression pero tumaas naman yung kanyang free throws to 72.7%. May flashes pa rin naman pero kailangan ng mga team is yung sustainable health para bigyan ka ng spot sa roster. Yung pag-announce niya na he is trying to come back, merong mga multiple teams yung nag-inquire. At least merong isang Western Conference franchise yung nagbigay mismo ng formal training camp invitation. At 30 years old, open si Ben Simmons to accept a minimum contract kasi para sa kanya basta mapatunayan lang na he is healthy na talaga. Sa team na kukuha sa kanya, low risk lang naman to considering na minimum deal lang. Tapos, what if bumalik talaga yung laro niya? Tsaka sobrang solid pa rin naman yung defense Kayang depensahan lahat ng posisyon sa basketball. Kaya sobrang okay pa rin talaga. Kayo ba, saang team kaya bagay si Ben Simmons ngayon? Next, LA Clippers will sign Yuki Kawamura to an Exhibit 10 deal. Kahit anong ganda ng nilalaro niya, yung impact niya, sobrang hirap talaga siyang makakuha ng standard sa NBA. Pero grabe yung perseverance niya, yung grit. And kung totoosin, mas malaki yung sasahurin niya sa bilig kapag umuwi siya. Pero andito siya sa NBA, chasing and competing with the big boys. Yung big boy na kaya natin, no? Nakakalungkot. Last season, naglaro ito para sa Chicago Bulls ng 18 games, averaging 3.4 points and 2.6 assists sa limited na playing time. Pero sa G-League team ng Bulls is nag-average ito ng 18.7 points, 11 assists, and 5 rebounds per game. At 5'7", Kawamura's path to the NBA has been defined by overcoming physical size limitations sa kanyang elite space, deep shooting range, at high-level court vision. So, makakasama niya ang fellow Japanese na si Rui Hachimura sa training camp. Pero sana talaga magkaroon na siya ng guaranteed contract. Kasi dito sa camp is i-evaluate siya ng Clippers with his speed against elite perimeter length. Itong training camp ang pinaka-importante sa mga players katulad ni Yuki. And again, it's frustrating for us na yung pambato natin is I don't know. Next, sa patuloy na skandal ni Kawhi Leonard, nagsisilabasan ng mga nakaraan. Grabe no, for a guy na tahimik, ang ingay ng background. So, nung 2019 free agency, after nung championship niya with the Toronto Raptors, is nagkaroon ng meeting with the LA Lakers para sa kanyang signing with the team. At maraming demand si Kawhi na lalabag sa NBA's Collective Bargaining Agreement. Ang request ni Kawhi on signing with the Lakers ay unlimited access to a private aircraft, a residential property, a guaranteed off-court endorsement income, and an equity ownership stake in the franchise. Kung saan labag nga ito sa competitive balance ng liga. Kasi syempre, mababypass yung salary cap kasi dun siya kikita sa ibang aspects. Grabe naman yun no? And walang dalawang isip na nireject ng Lakers yung request kasi alam nila yung penalty ng liga. Then, in a short while, he signs with the LA Clippers, leaving the Lakers to move forward with Anthony Davis and LeBron James. And Kawhi got his ghost projects, mga endorsement deals na patago, kung saan, ayan na yung iniimbestigahan ng NBA ngayon. E di sana Lakers ang nasa peligro ngayon kung tinanggap nila. Pero alam nila yan Kaso yung owner ng Clippers kasi, hype na hype yan kay Kawhi Akala niya, guaranteed championship. Kaya siguro, grabe yung mga injuries na tinamu niya. Kasi, ganyan, gumagawa ng paraan ang basketball gods. And that's all for this video. Let me know all your thoughts in the comment section below. I will now step back. Bye-bye!